Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You must act now. Power off the phone and keep it off while we work. This prevents short circuits. Next, remove the case, SIM card, micro SD, and any removable battery. Do it gently to avoid pushing water further inside. Use a lint-free cloth to blot visible moisture, and hold the phone with ports facing down so gravity helps drain liquid out. Once done, avoid turning the device back on. That temptation causes damage. Make sure you move quickly and calmly. The first minutes matter for survivability. After initial draining, focus on pulling moisture out of crevices. Tap the phone gently against your palm and tilt it through different angles so trapped water migrates to openings. Instead of heat, position the phone in front of a fan or next to a dehumidifier for steady, safe airflow. High heat warps components. For passive absorption, nest the phone with silica packets or uncooked rice for 24-48H to lower humidity. Silica is preferable. Make sure ports are unobstructed, so moisture can evaporate rather than be trapped inside. When the wait is over, inspect ports and SIM tray for residual dampness. Only then attempt to power the phone. If it boots, immediately back up photos and contacts, then check camera, speakers, touchscreen, and charging behavior to confirm functionality. If it doesn't power or shows erratic behavior, stop trying to charge it and consult a repair technician. Repeated attempts to power or charge can worsen corrosion. One key troubleshooting tip. If the screen is black but you hear sounds, try.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.